Hi guys, welcome to this new video. This is a different video. It's a video about building characters. So today, as is Dia de los Muertos in Mexico, I decided that I wanted to build a Cristina character. I have selected a few references to work with, like the pose. I really like to work with this kind of pose. I decided to use some kind of references for the flowers. I want to have it on the air. Also references for the outfit. I'm going to go with this one. And also some ideas for use as face decoration. Okay, so let's start sketching very quick the pose of this. I'm going to add details later. Right now it's just like placing stuff and seeing how the pose is working. I'm trying to be very attached right now to the original shape. Probably I will change it later, I don't know. Super big, by the way. You can see this arm, it's not, it's not the best one. Now that I have a very quick approach of the pose, by the way, I forgot to add the hat. I'm not going to work on the shape of the face right now, okay? We have to clear where to pose that, of course. I think it's more important focusing other stuff at that point. Normally when I draw hands, I spend a lot of time trying to get correct position for fingers. Right now this hand is looking horrible, guys. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I missed one of the fingers. Oh, this hand is not working. Well, actually I have to make this hand smaller. Even I am not drawing the fingers right now. What I'm going to or trying to do is keep the shape of the hand, you know. Here, this is coming over here. Let's do some arrangements. For example, this leg in the head is a little bit big compared with the body. I'm afraid that when I add all the flowers, it's going to look not that good. Probably we can put here like a sugar skull, you know, with some sort of decorations like floating over here. But lately I am a lot into the floating things, so this is the plan for that. What I want to do is tilt a little bit this image. So now we gain more stability here because we have it more straight to the floor. And I have an issue here with it. This is too big. Okay, I think more or less I have the pose. So we have something like coming over here. I'm going to take that, we have like this part. So it comes that way. I'm going to follow the brass. And here we have these huge things. And the same here. This part here. What I'm trying to think is where the line here is coming. I really want this to be very big and exaggerated, you know. And this should come over here. And same here. This part of the top is clearly complicated, guys. And now it's time to play with the skirt. So we have like the skirt falling over here with some kind of something like here. Well, we have like this kind of thing coming over here. I don't know the name of that in English, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so I have this more or less. I don't know, guys. Right now it's very creepy. Hello. Shouldn't make it more longer. Like another coat. I think we need more movement here. I think I'm going to hide the feet. Let's go for the shape of the head. The scalp. I don't know, guys, but lately I am messing around with faces. Eyebrows. First, if I change the... too big. I have to think that I need space to draw like this thing. So it's that face. I think I have the eyes misplaced in some point. I mean, I think they need to be over here. I don't like that eyes. Erase, 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 erase. I just lost the line. Anyway, I really want to make her like a fiery, you know, felling side. But I don't know. Yeah, well, maybe this could work. Eyebrows, eyebrows. Nose. Nose coming over here. I don't like this okay. I don't know, guys. I don't know what it's looking. I am not liking it that much, if I have to be honest. The mouth. Let's do a very big lips. Let's make it that smaller. Let's put it up here. Let's... Well, it's not looking that bad. I'm surprised of myself, guys, because normally when I do that, I'm going to cheat a little bit. Just a tiny little bit, guys. Not that much. Let's see. Let's make this bigger. Now smaller. I think it was too much big. The thing is that I'm hating that face shape. The face shape basically is the face shape. So I need to change it a little bit. Air coming over here. Why not? I think this is more Spanish than Mexican, but okay, I think I like it. I like it, guys. I like this. Yeah. I'm going to put more, probably going over here. I'm going to put only this part here of the flowers, because we have like this kind of hat. What about the air? What's happening here? It's going to be with a downed bun. Very classy. Well, one flower here, one flower here. I don't know if they are flowers, they are oranges. I don't know what they like. They're some kind of balls. Maybe you can imagine right now they are flowers, but they are, okay? So please don't judge me. I'm working fast. I'm super bad drawing flowers, guys. Oh, this is a very big flower. No, I'm not going to do that kind of flower. Let's try to do a rose. Probably we can do another over here. I need to change still a little bit this. I want to move this to make more sense, because I think it's too attached to something like that. I think now it's working better. Let's grab also this skull over here. I'm going to put it over here. Need to see if I paint this, it makes sense, because I don't want this character to look like to see that it's looking, no, it's looking fine, it's looking fine. I am just working super fast. I don't know how to do flowers, but I think this kind of hose, I don't know what it's looking. Now from here we have like the low bun. I think she's looking prettier, guys. She's super pretty. Let's go for the nose. I wanted to give it a little bit of shape. This nose is driving me crazy. Okay, I need to put here more flowers. You know, guys, I'm pretty bad drawing crosses, as you can see. Let's see, something like that. I could spend all day just drawing air. Now I'm going to draw it in another layer. I don't want to mess. Let's see, this is coming over here. I think, guys, I need to make the body smaller, I guess. Okay, to grab all of this. I wanted to narrow a little bit more, you know, the waist. I don't know if it's working. Now I think I like it more. The hands. We are arriving to the thing of the hands. Well, I'm going to draw first the skirt. I need to put more lines over here. I don't know, guys. Lines over here and over here. I don't know. Let's put here more movement. What if we miss this one, I'm going to change a little bit this, and I'm going to add like this thing here. Now it's time to draw the hands again. Okay, let's see. I'm terrified with these hands, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, now I need my hand again as references. Where it is, the reference. See, coming over here, and little one coming over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, well, actually, we only see 4 fingers. So I'm going to erase here. So basically, this is the skull. I don't know, guys. Probably I do better skulls than actually characters. Well, I will erase that later. I'm painting super fast, guys. I'm going out the line. I'm like a child right now. I'm thinking I'm going to paint the hat purple. Well, you know, magenta or this color pink. Let's see. Let's give a little bit of black over here and over here. I'm going to leave a line of black and again the yellow here. Then we have black again. We have yellow now, and the last one is this purple. I think I'm not going to add, this orange. So okay, we have our dress. So now time to paint the skin. I don't mind to paint over right now because I'm going to use the selection tool to erase. Select and coming here and erase. Okay. I don't know if it's a very Katrina outfit right now. I think it should be black. So, okay, I have it black. So I'm going to make her blonde. Like this color here. Let's paint it over very quick. Very quick. I don't know if I like this color. Let's change it a little bit again. Maybe it has to be, more pinky. I'm going to grab this color block. Yeah, I think now it makes more sense because it's the same color as this one. I have one side smaller than the other. Well, let's paint the mouth. What about this color? Yeah, I think this color could work. I don't know, guys. I have the feeling that I should draw her, with a more Latina aspect. But the thing is that colors don't, having this with this black, it didn't create contrast with the air. You know what I mean? I completely lost the shape of the color, so that's why it has to have this color. If I want to put it brown, the air, probably I should use another color. I don't know, I don't like it. I need to paint this. And when I have to paint this kind of details, I'm always super rude painting. You see, guys, I don't have patience for creating a lot of details, I need to paint the face. Blush over here, just why not? Okay, so next step, shadows. We have to make shadows. For example, here we have to add a little bit of them. I don't know if in this one, maybe this one, no, but this finger, of course it is, because it's like in the other side. Let's put it here a little bit more, maybe over here, I don't know. Yeah, probably I'm going to do it here just to see or make people think that she is like in another plane. Well, right now, guys, it's looking very bad because of course it's all lilac. It shouldn't be lilac. I don't know, this color, I always have mess around with colors. I'm going to use this one. I don't want it to be super, purple. Let's do some shadows also on the dress. Let's see if I use the lilac one, what happens. It's going to look nice, not? Well, yeah, I think it could use it. Maybe multiply. So erase. And let's think about the shadows here. If I have to be honest, guys, I don't have any idea on how to make these winkle things. Probably I'm going to do some kind of gradient with the pink, because I don't like to see it, you know, all with that color. So I'm going to use the soft round texture and create like this kind of gradient, because why not? Maybe this you know, the skirt has different shadows, so I'm going to represent it that way. What I'm going to use, another brush. I want a brush that is more accurate to paint that, so let's do this. A yellow, coming over here, coming over here. Next, a purple. Okay, I think I like it how it's looking. More, no, I have to do it again. This way. Oops, no need to paint here, thank you. Okay, let's add some kind of these things. Probably, guys, I'm adding too much detail for something that it's not going to look. It's very small, so it should be larger anyway. Let's do this heart over here. You know what? I'm going to use the purple because the yellow is not looking good. Okay, let's see. And we have like lines coming here. Okay, I'm totally making my thing here. And for the mouth, what we can do for the mouth? Okay, let's just use again the. You know what? I think I can use another kind of, maybe another color, like purple, like an orange. Instead of using this, you know, this yellow, we have to paint that. I was so happy. I'm going to use the similar colors. I'm going to do this one here to do something different. This is actually, guys, so funny to do and very relaxing. Like painting Katrina's faces. Orange. I'm going to make here another heart because I don't know, guys. I'm feeling romantic today, so let's put hearts everywhere. What about this? I'm going to use something like that. What do you think? I think it looks amazing. Maybe this is not the best color to add the shadows, probably. I'll change them. Now it makes more sense. This one. Again, I need to hide this because I don't see where I have lips. Last thing, the air. I have to do something with the air. Maybe add some shadows or something because it's looking very plain. Yeah, I think it's looking fine. Let's add a little bit of reflections also. So coming over here and over here and over here and over here. That's not that much, but why not some kind of big shadow? I mean, you know, like the roots. So yeah, guys, we have our Katrina drawing here, our character. I think it looks so amazing. This way you can see it better. So hope you enjoyed this new kind of video. Hope you enjoy it working on this Katrina with me. And see us again, guys, on the next video. Bye bye.